Morning everyone, happy Friday. Today there are so many kinds of speakers in the market like this. Have you ever seen this kind of speaker? A U-shaped design? What is this for? It could hold it on your leg or wherever you bring it to. You don't have to hold it on your hand. That is cool. Like this. And you see here, it has a TF cars lock. You see that? Which means it could save music in the car and play music without having a phone. Also, it could give you a different feelings compared to the regular speaker. Let me show you. Okay. Alright. So let me connect it to my phone. Okay, so I can feel the vibration of the speaker and I can feel the power of the music around me. I can completely enjoy the music without holding the speaker on my hand. I think that is cool. Okay, and lastly, the wireless distance could be up to 10 meters. For example, if you're doing some housework, cleaning your backyard, you still could enjoy the music with this speaker. Alright, this is today's live. If you're interested in this product, click the link down below and get more information. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.